up early in the morning for meditation and yoga practice, I still feel like morning is pretty busy for many mothers, I think. So usually this is how I look. My hair is messy. I haven't even washed my face yet. I have usually headphone around my neck or my head, still listening something motivational or meditational music or whatever I feel like it. And then I do something else. Egg white. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. It's pretty simple. Yeah, you don't need to wash your face. Just get the egg on the veg. Because my family is not a vegetarian. I crack the egg, okay? And then just separate crack the egg, right? So this is what left inside of the eggshell. And I put this on my face. That's it. Egg white face mask. Isn't it amazing? And pretty simple. And like I said, you don't need to even wash your face. I haven't washed my face yet. And you don't need to use entire egg white. Just whatever left in the eggshell. You'll be amazed how smooth your skin is gonna be after you rinse this off with water. Don't use warm water or warmer than your body temperature because you are going to cook egg white inside of your pores or on your skin. You don't want to do that. So use water cooler than your body temperature, okay? That's a key. All right, here, that's it. And I started cooking breakfast and my family is gonna come to the kitchen and we're gonna have breakfast together sometimes and sometimes not. I pack my daughter's lunch and rinse this off. Straightforward, very simple, but I guarantee you're gonna feel so different. Another thing is if you're vegetarian vegan, you can use water and flaxseed powder instead. And try that.